This is how you will run a loyalty issuance through your EPOSNow terminal. Once your customer is ready for checkout and the items have been added to their cart, you will go ahead and select the Gift Cards Factor 4 button located above the Pay button on the right side of your screen. From this screen, you will select the Loyalty Issuance option, enter in the card number. You will not need to enter a transaction amount because the items in the cart would total to be the transaction amount. You'll press the OK button and you'll be prompted to print a receipt. Now it'll tell you how many points are on that card and that the transaction has been completed successfully. So we can now return back to the till and pay for these items as normal. Now we'll be prompted to print another receipt, and that is how you run a successful loyalty issuance through EPOSNow.